Good afternoon. My name is Karen Solomon Edwards. I am a polycystic kidney disease patient. Matter of fact, I've been on this journey for the last 7 years. When I learned I had polycystic kidney disease, often termed as PKD, I basically was in denial. I was unsure of what to do because of the unknown. So as a result, I started my journey with having peritoneal dialysis. I did that at home. I did that for about 4.5 years. And then that last year, I became ill and I was hospitalized for about a month and a half. I had received an infection. And as a result from that, I was my next modality was hemodialysis. Hemodialysis was very challenging for me. It was very, very difficult for me. And as a result, that last year I was determined to get a kidney because I was very hopeful, but I was still fearful because I had difficulties and challenges being on hemodialysis. As a result, I set my mind on a goal, and that goal was to get a transplant. And I was able to get that kidney transplant. However, because I had PKD, I had previous infections where I had many surgeries. And then after the transplant, I suffered with bowel obstructions. Today, as I am giving this brief presentation, I just returned from physical therapy, whereas I was recently hospitalized because one of the challenges once you get a transplant is I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. However, what has been very hopeful and inspiring for me is my journey advocating and serving with the Polycystic Kidney Disease Foundation and the ACN, working to invoke policy changes at the federal level, the state, and the local level. It's very critical to me, and I know it's important. It's important based upon, first, I would like to say that I served as a public health official for the local health department here in Michigan. So from that professional experience, I knew the importance of research. I knew the importance of public health. I knew the importance of having an infrastructure in place where individuals that are impacted by an array of health challenges, there has to be some support and assistance. I'm a strong advocate and spokesperson for research. Research is very critical, and I feel now everyone sees the importance of research with the advent of the COVID-19 virus. The research that went into developing the vaccine. Now, many individuals have taken the vaccine. The challenge currently is to encourage others to get the vaccine. However, I am very aware and cognizant that many individuals are fearful of research. They are fearful to participate in clinical trials for whatever reason that may be. Different cultures, for example, the African American culture and cultures of other individuals have some reluctancy based upon our history. However, it's good to know the history, but in order for us to move forward in a positive vein, we have to take into consideration and give additional thought into research, participating in clinical trials, because the research will ultimately assist scientists in developing new prescription drugs, medication. Participating in the clinical trials will enable scientists to know the effect that certain medicines or drugs may have on different people, whether they're female, male, whatever race they may be. So I encourage the scientists and the research to continue to engage in the research. However, what I would like to see more of is that there must be more patient-centered research in order for the research to be viable, in order for it to be evidence-based. We must have the patient more engaged, people of all colors, races, and religions. That is very critical because the patient will be able to tell their story. They will be able to say what impact this particular drug may have on your body. So again, I'm a strong advocate uh, for the research. I have worked with patient-centered research initiatives in the past. I currently work with patient-centered research now, and I will continue to work with patient-centered research as an advocate, as an ambassador, um, as a public health official. It is very, very important.